blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick.
does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs to write about heartbreak, how to go when you're fed up with mistakes. Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you.